Navigate to the Suno AI dashboard and select your desired genre, such as or. Now that you've chosen your genre, let's craft the perfect prompt formula. We'll use meta tags like and to guide the AI. What's the most important aspect of your track? Do you want to focus on melody, rhythm, or atmosphere? With our prompt in place, let's break down the structure. And now that your structure is locked in, here's a quick tip. Use an effects to enhance your sound. Next, we'll cover advanced polishing techniques. We'll dive into audio mastering using tags like and stem separation with and stems. Can you think of a situation where stem separation would be crucial for your mix? Now let's talk about extending tracks without losing quality. Use the tag to create seamless transitions. Ready to take your AI generated music to the next level? Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more AI music tutorials, prompt formulas, and producer secrets. Join our community to stay up to date on the latest Suno AI updates and tricks.